Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the top 7 most loved salads. Salads are not only delicious, but also packed with health benefits. From classic favorites to modern creations, let's dive in and see which salads are winning hearts everywhere. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on our upcoming exciting videos. Let's get started! Caesar salad. Cut the sandwich into small pieces. Put the vegetables in a roasting basket to drain. Chop tomatoes and bacon. Put butter in the pan and fry the bread until crispy. Continue frying the bacon until golden. Put lettuce on a plate, drizzle sesame oil on top. Then add the bacon and bread. Continue adding tomatoes. Add mayonnaise and eggs. Greek salad. Greek salad is also a dish full of Mediterranean characteristics with tomatoes and oregano leaves and Greek cuisine because its ingredients include feta cheese, the famous cheese of this country. Thinly sliced onions. Thinly sliced tomatoes. Put everything in a bowl and add the sauce. Mix well. Cut bell pepper into small, long pieces. Then cut it back into squares. Cut melon into small pieces. Cut melon into small pieces. Add Greek cheese, olives. Add the sauce and mix well and you're done. Very delicious served with bread. Salad caprese, a simple Italian salad with fresh tomatoes, mozzarella cheese and basil, drizzled with balsamic vinegar and olive oil. Cut tomatoes into thick slices and arrange around burrata cheese, then sprinkle basil on top. Add olive oil, salt and pepper. Just before serving, add balsamic vinegar on top and mix well. Enjoy on a salad or with toast. Caprese salad is an extremely simple and popular dish in Italian meals. This salad can be served as a side dish with meat, as an appetizer, or even as a main dish. Cobb salad. Cobb salad is a type of salad originating from America, accidentally created by a restaurant owner in Hollywood named Robert Howard Cobb in 1937. According to statistics from Robert's The Brown Derby restaurant, every year there are thousands of salads. Millions of plates of Cobb salad are consumed and are listed among the best salads in the world. Typically, Cobb salad includes main ingredients such as grilled or boiled chicken, boiled eggs, avocado, tomatoes, blue cheese, bacon and green vegetables such as lettuce. All the ingredients are neatly arranged on a plate and are often served with a vinaigrette or ranch dressing. Cobb salad is not only attractive because of its flavor, but also because of its nutritional balance, bringing the breeze of a European dish, suitable for a snack or main meal. Salad Cobb salad is best when enjoyed right after mixing the ingredients with the sauce. Waldorf salad. Waldorf is a familiar weight loss salad for Western food lovers. This dish was born between 1893 and 1896 at the Waldorf Hotel, New York. This is where the strong spread of a salad that is not only delicious and attractive, but also effectively supports keeping in shape. Chicken salad. Sprinkle pepper on chicken to marinate. Cut tomatoes in half. Cut mango into square pieces. Sliced avocado. Add a little olive oil to the pan and fry the chicken until golden on both sides. Put vegetables in bowl. Cut chicken into pieces. Pour dressing over salad plate. Shrimp salad. Marinate shrimp with a little salt and pepper, Add olive oil, mix well. Cut tomatoes in half. Mango cut into squares. Sliced avocado. Put all the spices in the picture in a bowl and mix well. Golden fried shrimp on both sides. Put all the cut vegetables into a bowl. Add fried shrimp and sauce and mix well. Place on a plate and you're done. We hope you have enjoyed these 7 beloved salads. Don't forget to try making these salads at home and share your feedback with us. See you in our next videos featuring delicious culinary delights on our channel. Goodbye and see you again in the next videos.